Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix App Store country change option none is not available. For example, if you want to change your country or region in iPhone App Store, and if you go for the payment method, then there is none option available. Only credit card or payment method is available. So how you can change that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, I will tell you how you can go for the change of country in iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go for the setting and click on name or Apple ID. And here you have to click on media and purchases. After that, you have to click on view account. And after that, you have to wait for some seconds so that loading can be done. And after a few seconds of loading, you will see an interface in which country or region change option available. So here what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some seconds again so that a change or country or region option is available. After you click on change country or region, then if you do not find any option related to payment method and there is none option and only is available is that, for example, if you select any of the country and after that if you click on that country and wait for some second and you do not see any payment method below and you see only payment method none option is available, which means you cannot skip the payment method in that country or region settings. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply select that country which allows you to change your country or region without any payment method. For example, if you select that country and you see no payment method is available, then first of all you have to change your country or region to that country, and after that you will be able to change your country without payment method in other countries. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.